In this video we will share 10 awesome vegan kitchen hacks that make plant-based journey a whole lot smoother. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out, these tips will surely come in handy. Hack 1. Keeping greens fresh. First up, let's talk about keeping your greens fresh. After a trip to the grocery store, you've got a bunch of fresh cilantro, parsley, and other greens. You know they can wilt quickly, right? Here's what you can do. Wash them, shake off the excess water, trim the ends, and place them in a glass of water. Just like fresh flowers, they'll perk right up and stay vibrant. Hack 2. Picking perfect avocados. Avocados are a vegan's treasure. But there's nothing worse than opening one up to find it all brown and mushy. My tip? Look for avocados with that little button still on top. They tend to be fresher and less stringy. Buy them slightly underripe and let them ripen on your shelf to avoid bruising. Hack 3. Managing ripe avocados. If you buy avocados in bulk, they are likely to often ripen all at once. No need to eat guacamole for days on end. Store a couple in the fridge to slow down ripening. And remember, you can scoop out overripe avocados and freeze them for later use. Hack 4. Handling ripe bananas. Ripe bananas are fantastic for baking and smoothies, but if you can't use them all, just put them in the fridge. Don't worry if the skins darken, they're still delicious inside. Or peel and freeze them for future smoothie adventures. Hack 5. Reviving nut butters. Nut butters can get a bit tricky with that oil separation. But here's an easy fix. Flip the jar upside down for a few days to redistribute the oils, then give it a good shake. Creamy nut butter in no time. Hack 6. Cheesy nut and seed crumble. Now, let's whip up something delicious, a cheesy nut and seed crumble. Perfect for adding extra flavor and nutrients to your dishes. Grab Brazil nuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, cashews, flax seeds, and nutritional yeast. Season to taste and blend. It's a versatile topping for salads, pasta, and more. Hack 7. Embrace frozen veggies and fruits. Don't underestimate the power of frozen veggies and fruits. They're just as nutritious, convenient, and often more budget-friendly than fresh ones. Plus, they won't spoil, so there's no food waste. Hack 8. Grind flax seeds for max nutrition. Flax seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3s, but you need to grind them to absorb all that goodness. So, either grind them or soak them overnight if you want to get the most out of these little nutritional powerhouses. Hack 9. Mix your grains. Variety is key to a balanced diet. Mix up your grains. White rice with quinoa or barley, for example. It not only elevates the flavor but also improves the amino acid profile, making your meals more nutritious and exciting. Hack 10. Quick label reading for vegans. Lastly, a handy label reading tip. If you're unsure whether a product is vegan-friendly, check the Contains section at the bottom of the ingredient list. Milk, eggs, and other common allergens will be listed there. It's a quick and easy way to ensure you're staying true to your vegan principles. And that's a wrap on these 10 vegan kitchen hacks. Whether you're a long-time vegan or just exploring a plant-based lifestyle, these tips can make your journey more enjoyable and sustainable. If you have your own awesome vegan hacks, please share them in the comments below. Let's keep learning and growing together.